welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find your liked videos. Maybe you liked some of the videos on TikTok and you want to see them or show that video to someone you like, love, or a friend or a family, but you can't just find it. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now let's go to our TikTok app. Let's like this video. She's a secret dancer 5, I guess. I like that video. Now we again need to find that video. When if I want to show it to a friend, but I can't find it again. Even though I searched it, I can't find it again. In that case, all you do is go to your profile button, which will be on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap on the profile button or options, and you can see the heart option over here on the third one over here after the lock, and just tap over there and your liked video will always be here. Your all the liked videos, the videos you have liked in the past will be here. And this one was the video I liked previously. So this one was the video I liked previously just a few seconds ago. It's available. So guys, finding your liked videos on TikTok is this easy. And if you have questions or comments regarding the topic, don't forget to comment in the comment section, or don't hesitate to comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos, guys.